So today I'll be showing you how to charge your JBL Boombox 4. So what you need to do is just first of all, turn off the speaker for safety. And then you want to go to the back of that speaker and you should see a little door here. Okay. So you want to put your finger in here and then just push this door open like that. And that's going to give you access to some ports. So you have a Type-C port there, and also you have the power port. Okay, now the power port you use with the cable that comes in the box of your speaker. Okay, so this is a normal wall plug cable. Okay, this one right here. You have this normal wall plug cable and this one that goes in there. So I'm gonna take this out of the packaging. So you plug one end of that cable into a power outlet and the other end goes into your speaker like that. Okay, it should look something like that. And now you can go to the socket and turn it on, the wall outlet, and that should start charging your speaker. And you can confirm it's charging by checking on the charging light indicator LED. You can see it moving. It's actually was almost 2/3 full, so it's just going to charge this part. Okay, so that's how to charge your JBL Boombox 4. Now you can charge it while using it. You can turn it on now and continue listening to music as it charges. Thanks for watching and good luck.